So by the time the Kaliya was subdued and the whole event got over, what happened? It had become night. And because they were all in Vrindavan, they had to go back to Nandagaon. It was very far away. What happened? Tat karma divyam iva nishi nischyayanam. The nishi, it had become night already. They all the all the Brajavasis, they thought Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda Mai, all the Brajavasis, they had come there. They had thought, oh, somehow Krishna has got saved from Kaliya. We have to now go back, but it has become night. Let us sleep here only for tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll get up and we'll go to Nandagaon. And they all sat down there and they Nishi Nishchayanam, they all slept there. And while they were sleeping, what happened? While they were all sleeping in the night in Vrindavan, and Vrindavan at that time is not like today, full of concrete buildings. That time it was a big forest. And Nishi Nishchayanam, they were all sleeping. What happened? Davagnina Shuchivane Parirashyamane. Shuchivana, that forest at that time had become very dry. And because of the dryness, what happened? Davagnina Parirashyamane. The forest caught fire. There was a big forest fire. And the conflagration, it was so huge, it completely surrounded the Vrajavasis who were all sleeping there from all directions. And Paridashyamane, it was burning like this. It was the fire was blazing. And at that time, Unneshiti Vrajam, Ato Avasitanta Kalam. At that time, Avasitanta Kalam, it appeared as if the end of the Brajavasis has come. Vrajam Avasitanta Kalam. Kalam, the end time has neared. Just like suppose we are in the middle of some forest and there is a forest fire and that fire is spread all around. What will we think? Hare Krishna, time has come. Ho gaya. Nama time aayidchupa, vandarchu time. That's what we will think. Similarly, all around fire is blazing because when a forest catches fire, how can you put it out? You can see even today in the US, somewhere in Texas, somewhere in California, there will be a forest fire. Some few years back, there was a huge forest fire in Australia. Somebody took a picture. He was sitting on across the river, behind him was the river, and beyond the river was the forest. And he's taking a selfie. Nowadays, everybody likes to take selfies. And you can see he's sitting there, behind him the river, and in the horizon behind him, like a long line, fire is raging, forest fire. When the forest fire comes, even in big countries like US and Australia, what they do, they issue a warning to all the inhabitants of the areas around the forest. Please evacuate your homes and go somewhere else until the forest dies down. Why? Because even the government, with all its machinery, with all its power, with all its technology, they cannot extinguish a forest fire. Sometimes what will they do? They will take a helicopter, and in the helicopter they'll fill water and they'll go and pour, trying to douse the forest fire. All that, what? Such a huge forest fire, you go and put some 1,000 liters of water, what it is for it? It's like a drop of water in the ocean. They'll bring a few fire tenders and they'll start spraying. Fire tender, how much water will be there? Some 20,000 liters water will be there. Is it enough to subdue a forest fire? Fire will keep raging. All your fire tenders, all your helicopters, nothing can extinguish a forest fire. And in the middle of that, and those days, when Krishna was there 5,000 years ago, there was no fire department. There were no fire extinguishers. There were no fire tenders. There were no helicopters to come and pour water. Now what to do? Krishna is there. And Sabalo, he is along with Balram, he is all there, along with Vrajam, all the Vrajavasis. They are all caught up, surrounded by Shuchivana. It is a dry forest. That means the blaze is not going to end until it consumes everything. Now what to do? Krishna had to protect all the Vrajavasis. So, Netre Pidhaya, what he did, he saved all the Vrajavasis from the fire. Krishna extinguished the fire. Netre Pidhaya Sabalo. How did he, along with Balram, how did he extinguish the forest fire? What did he do? What great endeavor he would have done to extinguish the forest fire? Netre Pidhaya. He just closed his eyes. By closing his eyes, all the fire got extinguished. Now, how do you understand this? Therefore, the Bhagavatam is saying, Anidigamya Viryaha. When you look at all these pastimes of Krishna, his Virya, his prowess is Anadigamyaha. It is immeasurable. Krishna's prowess, his power, his capability, his reach is immeasurable. It is unparalleled. It is unmatched. Nobody can measure, nobody can match up to the power of Krishna.